If you are getting a Roku error code 504, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the channel server. A 504 error means the Roku device didn't receive a timely response from the server it was trying to connect to. So, a 504 gateway timeout error on a Roku TV typically indicates a problem with the connection between the Roku device and the server it is trying to access, such as a streaming service like Hulu or Discovery Plus. So, the first thing you should check is the specific channel's server status. You can check that from your PC or mobile. Type the channel's name and then server status. Like here we are typing Discovery Plus server status. Then select the official website and check. If the server is down or under maintenance, wait for some time and then try again. Method 2. Check the internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then you can have issues while connecting to the channel's server. You can visit speedtest.net to check the internet speed on another device like your PC. If the internet speed is low, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 3. Restart the Roku device and the router. Sometimes minor bugs and glitches responsible for the error can get fixed by a fresh restart. So you can reboot the Roku device and check if this can fix the issue. To do that, go to Roku settings, then select System. Then Power. Select System Restart. Then select Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. This can fix network-related issues. Unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait for a minute or so to ensure any residual electricity in the capacitors dissipates. Power on the router or modem. If you have separate devices, you can use a smart plug to restart both your router and modem together. Method 4. Set up a new connection. The next thing you can do is set up a new connection. Select Settings. Go to Network, then Set up Connection. Next, select Wireless. Let the scan complete. Select your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select Connect to proceed. Now check if this could resolve the issue. If not, then go to the next method. Method 5. Switch to a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also shift to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 6. Clear the cache on your Roku device. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for the Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 7. Check for software update. The next thing you can do is update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for triggering such errors. To update the Roku, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 8. Disable Wi-Fi Direct. Some Roku remotes use Wi-Fi Direct to connect, which can cause interference with other devices. To disable Wi-Fi Direct on a Roku and improve the network connectivity, open the Roku home screen. Select Settings. Select Advanced System Settings from the System sub-menu. Select Device Connect. Select Disable Device Connect. Method 9. Disable DNS. If you are using DNS or proxy servers, then disable them and then try to access the channel or app on which you are getting the error. Follow the method from the website of the specific DNS to turn it off and see if this could fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix Roku error code 504. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.